Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use magnification to zoom in or out in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements and then scroll down and here click on magnification. Now click on magnification shortcut and here you will see a on off button. So if you have turned off this button, then turn it back on, and after turning on, choose action to start using magnification. So you have four options. You can use the magnification by this accessibility icon, or you can press the side and volume up button, and you can also press and hold the volume up and down button for 3 seconds, and you have also option of triple tap on screen. So choose the actions and after that go back to your home screen, and now to use the magnification to zoom in or out, triple tap on screen and now you can see the magnification is turned on. So this is the first way to use magnification. So the second way we have selected in video is by this accessibility icon. So tap on this icon and from here choose magnification, and now you can see this is the second way to use magnification. So to turn off, again click on this accessibility icon and click on magnification. So that's how you can use magnification to zoom in or out in Samsung Galaxy S24. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.